Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is unlocked and has battery. Avoid interruptions. Open Settings and go directly to General Management or System depending on your model. Tap Language and Input, then on-screen Keyboard to see installed keyboards. Once you reach this menu, you'll get a list of active and available keyboards. This is where you start swapping or adding. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi if you need to download a new keyboard app before proceeding. Once an on-screen keyboard, tap Manage Keyboards to enable or disable options. Toggle the keyboard you want to use. If you need another keyboard, open Play Store, download a trusted app, then return here and enable it. After enabling, tap the keyboard name to adjust permissions, theme, layout, and autocorrect settings so it behaves how you expect. Once configured, go back and choose Default Keyboard. Selecting it switches input immediately and preserves previous settings for quick rollback. Now set the default keyboard in on-screen keyboard to the one you just enabled. This finalizes the change. Test typing in messages or notes to confirm layouts, emoji, and autocorrect work as expected. If keys lag, settings don't apply, or the keyboard crashes, clear the app cache or data in Settings right arrow apps or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard app. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck permissions. This often resolves the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.